Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable built-in administrator account in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, you need to open command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now I have two commands here. I have mentioned them in the description section of the video. The first command enables it. The difference between these two commands is yes and no. So yes means enabling the administrator account. Okay, I'll paste it here. It says active yes, hit enter. The administrator account has been enabled. Now if you restart your computer, you will notice that there is a separate option to log in as the administrator. If you wish to delete this account, simply copy paste the second command, which is active no, and hit enter. It says the command completed successfully. The administrator account has been removed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.